Hello, I'm gonna show you how to put together this 12 branch candelabrum. It's 4 parts. One, the base, the screw that goes under the base. This is the column that will keep um, the top candelabrum, and here we have the candelabrum on the top. So the way we start is by taking the base, turning it upside down, putting through the opening here the screw, and we want it to go out through here. So when this happens, we take the column. This is where this attaches with the candelabrum, so we want the other side. So our screw goes in here, and then we put the screw through. There is a nut on the other end of the column, so make this a little tight by hand, and then use a small wrench to make it tighter. Okay, it doesn't move anymore. So now we turn it upside down. And we have the top part that has 4 little screws that we remove. We put it on top of here, and then we put the nuts back on the screws.